Hi everyone, welcome to this Cyber Monday 2021 Villa Beautiful reveal. I'm going to roll up my sleeves because I have a lot to show you. Let's get going. Before I show you products, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the website. So this is the gift section, gift sets and bundles. There are quite a few bundles already made, so if you wanted to do some early shopping, you definitely can, and they're already discounted. The next sections are the three categories that all the products will fall into. So the first one is the new release, Cyber Monday. That's everything you'll find. The pens are for sale and kit extra supplies. So the first one is Cyber Monday sale. All the new products will go here. There's a few right now, but this will be packed starting Monday. And these are the pens that will be on sale. So these are the pens, and then on Monday they will be discounted. Even the new release pens will be discounted, and you'll see them here as well. And the last category are the supplies. So these are a lot of the kit extras. These will be discounted, and I will be adding a few more. I gotta check inventory, but a few more to this list also. So if there's something that you see already, make sure you grab it on Monday because these products are while supplies last, especially with a discount. Such a great deal. And now let's dive into the brand new products. I first released this product, the VBClutches, the black one, for last year's anniversary Luxe kit, and it was a huge hit. So I'm bringing these back. I know a lot of you have been waiting patiently for more colors, so they are finally here. This one is called Natural Nude. It's a really perfect kind of nude color. It goes well with everything. This one's called Stone Gray, or you can just call it gray. And then this one is called VBPink. It's a very pale pink. You see this color. I use this color a lot for a lot of the marketing. So these three VBClutches, and then I changed it up a little bit to the one from last year. So I added three clasp, and the reason why is because some of us don't stuff the clutches, so I wanted it to feel secure. So you're gonna put that one on the very bottom, and then there's a middle one in case you're like a medium stuffer, and then the top one is if you really stuff this to the fullest, which I've seen many of you do, which is awesome. Let me show you the inside. You get the pockets still on the left. I didn't change that. You get the strings in the center, and then for these clutches you do get the insert, the 5x7 clear pocket insert, and usually you would put this in the back, but there's so many different ways that you can play this up. These fit the sticker books really well. Oh, I also redesigned the back. So now instead of it being closed, you can slip covers, and then here's a back pocket as well. Same thing for the Stone Gray. Each one will have the same contents for the inside. And then let me show you. I know I've shown this before in kit reveals, this one that I currently use. But I'm going to show it to you again so you can see how I use it. Okay, so let me show you the inside of mine. This isn't even, I usually have this thing stuffed, but I did take some out because I didn't, it was kind of messy and I should have organized it. But anyways, I added all VB stickers in here, transparent page flags, my business card, and then a washi tape card. And then this guy will be for sale, extra. It will be added to the Cyber Monday lineup. It's a little pocket sleeve, and then I added the sticker release insert, and then a cloth and paper B6 notebook. I think this is the project notebook, and the B6 folder. And here is that 5x7 pocket sleeve insert, and I just stuffed it with like sticky notes and notepad. Oh, can't forget our VBPen, right? Can't forget our VBPen. So VBPen fits securely right in place, and I used the the middle clasp. So it fits perfect, nice and snug. Everything is secure. For those of you that are new to Villa Beautiful, welcome. And if this is a new product for you, I wanted to show you different ways to use this clutch. So I took out the 5x7 the clear pocket insert, and I'm taking some of the Simply Gilded B6 notebook inserts and I subscribe to Simply Gilded. I love Simply Gilded. And I'm using quite a few. I think there's 3, 4. But this clutch would be a really great way to have different notebooks and use it like a TN. So think of it as a traveler's notebook slash organizer storage companion for you. And then this, I'm going to add that clear insert again, and there you go, stuffed with notebooks and storage. Now let's take these out and try a different way. Remember that wellness journal that I created for the Be Well kit back, I believe in late spring? Well, it fits inside the clutch. I made sure it fit inside the clutch. And I'm going to put it in the back pocket. I've seen many of you put it through the strings, but I like it through the back pocket. Just, it feels better to me. But feel free to put it through the strings if it works for you. And just a little side note, I do have a VB journal, just a dot grid, coming in January. So you can add that too. I'm happy to tell you, for all of you mini Happy Planner users, that the mini Happy Planner does fit inside the VB clutch. I didn't have a mini Happy Planner on my planner supplies that I use are at home, not here at the studio. But this is a cloth and paper planner that I believe was in last year's Christmas box, I believe. But I believe it's the same size, so it might even be bigger, but look how nicely it fits. It fits well. I've also used a half letter disc bound planner and it fit too. You'll just probably have to put it in the bottom or in the first clasp so it's a little bit loose. So many different ways, right? Are you getting ideas? I hope so. The last one I wanted to show you is the Print Pression B6 hardcover notebook. Slides right into that back cover. Fits nicely, by the way. And I'm going to put a insert, B6 insert by Cloth and Paper, through the strings, and then I couldn't decide what I wanted to do. Oh, I'm going to put in the sticker released insert as well. Let me know, leave me a comment if you guys want to see a design that's always in the shop, so in like a VB Essentials line. And there you have it, different ways to use your VB clutch. These will be on sale for Cyber Monday, and they will only be discounted on Cyber Monday, so make sure you grab 1, 2, or even 3. Great for little gifts too. Okay, let's talk pens now. Look how lovely these are. So this is the Royal Ball VBPen collection. It does match with the Duchess VB Luxe kit. I made sure of that. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 new release pens. These are the single individual pens, and this one is called Chandelier. It is all gold metal paint with kind of a gold opal crystals. Very, very pretty in person. The next pen I designed, I wanted it to represent the porcelain dishes that I see like in Bridgerton. This one is a soft antique blue matte paint gold hardware with blue-gray, denim blue, and iridescent blue crystals. Regent is my favorite pen out of the new release. It is a sage green paint. Okay, first, let's address my thumb. It hurts, it's swollen, I don't know what happened. Anyways, the crystals are sage green as well with a little bit of clear, and this pen has gold hardware. I know this is going to be really popular with all of you. The season was inspired by this Bridgerton photo. It is a dark lavender matte paint pen, rose gold hardware with pale lavender, iridescent, and blue-gray crystals. There will be a bundle available with all 4 pens plus the sticker sheet, and the bundle will be discounted only for Cyber Monday, so make sure you grab it if you love all 4. Let me change the screen to black and white before we talk about this year's holiday mystery BB pen. It is called Yuletide. I will not disclose any information about this pen, but once it is sold out, the picture will be shown on the website, so keep checking. Okay, 2 pretty packs for this year. This one is called Lady Tiffyton, named after, of course, Lady Tiffyton herself. I really like this pretty pack. It's like the perfect gift pack for any planner. You get a full box sticky note that matches with the Lady Tiffyton pen. You know, we all know Lady Tiffyton loves her wax seals, and these are washi material floral stickers. So you get, I think you get a couple sheets in here. You can do a lot with these. You can put them in your planner and journaling. Oh yeah, there's plenty of sheets for you. And then a bookmark, because you know, Lady Tiffyton needs to mark her place in all the books or planners that she has. This is a clear bookmark. Make sure you take off the protective film, because there is one. It has foiling detailing on the roses. There's a beige tassel with a pearl and a rose gold rose charm. So that is oh, let's talk about the pen. Can't forget about the pen. This, I don't know how to describe this paint. It is, I like to call it a bright cool pink. It is matte paint, rose gold hardware, and the crystals are a light violet and a blush rose. Okay, now this one is Royalty Pretty Pack. When I designed products for this pretty pack, I was very inspired by a whimsical tea party, and you know, all those pretty dresses that the girls on Bridgerton wear. I really liked those colorful dresses, so I was inspired by that. This one has a little charm, like a little dangle charm. I think this will be really cute on the keychain from the Duchess kit, and you can put it on your VB clutch. Just, you know, hint hint. And then there is a sticker sheet with little sweet treats. I used the clip art from a previous VB kit a long time ago, but I really like how it matches with this VB pen. So again, this one is called Royalty, T as in TEA. It is a bright robin's egg blue green matte paint. That's a mouthful. Rose gold hardware with blush rose, light blue, light green, and iridescent crystals. So 2 pretty packs for you to choose from. Great for gift giving or a little gift for yourself. Oh, look how pretty these 2 look. They look great together, don't you think? Alright, so who is excited for Cyber Monday? Raise your hand. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what is on your wish list, what you are most excited about. And if you're wondering about prices, and if you needed a little bit more info, check the description box below, as we'll be adding a few more extra details for you to view. So don't forget, Monday at 11 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, products will go live. If you are wanting something really in particular, make sure you shop on release day at release time. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye!